Today, I am reviewing the Dyson Airwrap i.d. multi-styler. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent 40 minutes in front of a mirror only to have your curls fall flat before you even leave the house, you know the struggle of finding a tool that actually works. I have been using the new Dyson Airwrap i.d. for the last few weeks, and while it definitely lives up to the hype in some areas, it is a complicated piece of technology that is not going to be the perfect solution for everyone. Before I get into the weeds of how this performs, if you want to check the current pricing or see the specific attachments included in the box, I have included links for you in the description below this video. Let's start with the biggest change here, which is the ID part of the name. This is the first time Dyson has really integrated Bluetooth and app connectivity into a styling tool. You go into the MyDyson app, answer a handful of questions about your hair type, length, and texture, and it builds a personalized profile. Once that is synced to the device, it automates the timing for the wrap, the styling, and the cold shot. Honestly, I was skeptical about this feature. I thought it was just a gimmick, but after testing it, I have to admit it actually solves the #1 problem with the original Airwrap, which was knowing exactly how long to hold the hair against the barrel. It takes the guesswork out of the process, and for someone who is not a professional stylist, that consistency is a game changer. However, the technology is not without its frustrations. The pairing process can be a little finicky, and if you are the type of person who just wants to pick up a tool and go without opening an app on your phone, you might find the connectivity aspect more annoying than helpful. You can still use it manually, but if you ignore the app, you are essentially paying for features you are not using. When it comes to the performance of the V9 motor, it is as powerful as you would expect. The airflow is incredibly focused, and the Coanda effect, that signature Dyson feature that pulls your hair toward the barrel, feels just as snappy and responsive as ever. If you have straight or wavy hair, this is a dream. It creates volume and movement that is very difficult to achieve with a traditional curling iron. Because it uses intelligent heat control to keep the temperature under 302 degrees Fahrenheit, my hair feels significantly healthier than it did when I was using a standard ceramic iron every morning. I noticed less breakage and a lot more shine after about 2 weeks of consistent use. Now, let's talk about the reality of the 6-in-1 versatility. You get a whole kit of attachments, and that is a double-edged sword. It is great that you can dry, curl, wave, shape, and smooth with one handle, but storing all those attachments is a nightmare. Unless you have a very organized vanity, you're going to end up with a drawer full of plastic barrels. Also, the learning curve is real. If you are coming from a traditional clamp curling iron, the Airwrap requires a completely different technique. You have to learn how to feed the hair into the airflow, and if your hair is too wet or too dry, the results just are not going to be there. It takes practice. If you're expecting to pull this out of the box and get salon-perfect hair in 5 minutes on your first try, you're going to be disappointed. As for who this is for, I think it is perfect for someone who styles their hair daily and is tired of the damage caused by high-heat tools. If you have hair that struggles to hold a curl, the automated timing settings on this new model actually help immensely because they ensure the hair is properly heated and then cooled before you release it. It is also a great value if you consider that you are replacing a blow dryer, a round brush, and a curling iron with one unit. But you should definitely avoid this if you have very tight, coily, or extremely thick hair that requires high heat tension to smooth out. While it is powerful, it is not a heavy-duty flat iron. It is designed for styling, not for brute force straightening. If you are someone who prefers a very sleek, poker-straight look, you will probably find yourself reaching for a traditional straightener anyway. The most likely disappointment for most people will be the price point and the space the accessories take up. It is a premium investment, and you have to be willing to commit to the learning process. If you are someone who likes a low-maintenance hair routine, the complexity of this device might actually make your mornings more stressful rather than easier. But for those who are willing to put in the time to learn the technique and use the app-based settings, the consistent results are hard to beat. If you are interested in seeing how the specific attachments work, or if you are ready to look into the current pricing, you can find those details in the links below. At the end of the day, the Airwrap i.d. is a brilliant piece of engineering, but it is a tool that demands you meet it halfway. It is not magic, but for the right hair type, it is the closest thing to it.